Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change n8n time zone. Alright, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to the official n8n website. On the homepage, click the Sign In option at the upper right corner and enter your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the n8n admin panel. This panel is the control center where you manage all configurations. Inside the dashboard, locate the settings icon, which usually looks like a gear. Click it to open the settings menu. Here, you'll find various customization options for your n8n setup. Look for the option labeled Time Zone. Click it to view the list of available time zones. Choose the one that matches your location or preferred operating region. After selecting your desired time zone, make sure to save the changes. The Save button is typically found at the bottom or top of the menu. So that's basically how you can change n time zone. That's it for this video. Thanks.